All right, guys, hummus, Dining on a Dime Cookbook, Volume 2, 25% off right now in the description below. Page 189. This is one of over 800 recipes and tips. It's homemade hummus. Okay, now, I make mine a little bit different. What I do is I save the juice. Wow, there's a lot of juice in there, isn't there?
Yeah.
Oh my. Put in the chickpeas. Then I add my lemon packets. These are in the description below. I love these. Then my garlic powder. Mike likes extra garlic. Now you can use regular garlic cloves. I don't have any. Or you could use roasted garlic. Seasoned salt. I add my cumin. And then a little bit of the juice and put it all together. Now you can put tahini, I don't know how you say that, but I don't like the taste of it, so I leave it out. We need your help reaching 20,000 subscribers. Would you guys please subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when we have more money-saving recipes come out. By the way, guys, I love this immersion blender. It is in the description below. Okay, now we want it pretty smooth and creamy, so we're going to add a little bit more. Okay, then if you want, I forgot, you can add a little bit of olive oil. I bet bacon grease would be really good in here too. Let's taste and see what it tastes like. That's good. It needs more salt. Okay, for all those people that are going to freak out because I used a spoon for us to eat out of.
Ooh.
Pretty tasty, huh?
Yum. Better not keep that around. I might eat too much of it.
You might eat too much of it. Now, you can make this with anything you want. You can do taco seasoning. You can do red peppers, roasted red peppers. You can sprinkle paprika on top. But this is the basic recipe, and then you can just add to it as you want. But you can freeze this in little containers, just like the other bean dips, and have it on hand to just pull out of the freezer when you need a little dish of hummus.